My park mate for today, KTM 1050 Adventure. 4-stroke 75 degrees between cylinder engine. 4 valves per cylinder, BOHC. 1050cc, bore and stroke 103, time is 63 mm. 93.8 HP at 6,200 RPM. 107 Newton meter of torque at 5750 RPM. 6-speed transmission. Dry weight 212 kilograms. Fuel capacity 23 liters. Top speed 230 km per hour. Consumption 5.49 per 100 km.